Now might be the best moment to start earning Bitcoin, and people have been able to generate incredible amounts of money on this website, but I am going to reveal their entire strategy. Reveal a brand new way that you can earn free Bitcoin really fast. More precisely, you can earn 1 free Bitcoin right now if you implement this method correctly. And I'm also going to walk you through the entire process step by step, because this brand new way of generating money online that we are going to implement today does not require a lot of work and effort, and frankly speaking, you only need to have a little bit of patience in order to make this work. I'm going to provide you with a full strategy that is proven to work, and I'm also going to show you why most people fail and end up not earning significant amounts of money using this website that we're going to review. That being said, let's keep things very simple and move on to the first step. The first thing I want you guys to do is go over to exe.io, and this is the website that is going to pay us today for our efforts. But using this website alone is not enough in order to generate significant amounts of money. Basically, this is a URL shortener. So let's say that I wanted to share my YouTube channel with other people. I would go over to youtube.com, copy this URL, go over to exe.io, paste it in here, and they are going to provide me with a shortened link. So this is how it looks like. You can simply copy it into your clipboard, and there you have it. I know that is not too impressive, but it is a significant part of our strategy today, because these guys are going to pay us for every click that we get to that shortened link. And I'm going to do a quick demonstration for you right now. So if we copy that link and paste it here in the search bar, we can see that they are going to redirect us to a middle page. They are not going to send us straight to the capitalist channel, and instead they want us to click here to continue. They are going to display a few different ads, but you don't have to worry about those, because that is how these guys are earning their money. And they are going to share a part of their ad revenue with you in turn in order to reward you for your efforts. And if we go back to their main website, we can actually see that they have a section here called payout rates. And if we click on that, we can see exactly how much money they are going to pay us for each click that we get. And depending on where our audience and our traffic is from, we're going to get a certain amount of money. As you can see, for 1,000 clicks that are coming from the United States, you will get $9. That may not seem like a lot, but I'm going to show you a free way that you can generate thousands or tens of thousands of views. And more importantly, you can set this process on complete autopilot. So if you're interested in that, make sure to watch this video until the end. And another feature that I absolutely love about this website is that they also have a section that is entitled Payment Proof. And let's click on that and see what they show us. These guys are completely transparent, and they will show you all of the latest withdrawals. So ranging from $5 all the way up to $20, and even more than that, people have been generating money on this website. Now all you have to do is click on this white button, sign up, enter in your credentials, and that's it. Now if you do everything correctly, this is how your dashboard is going to look like, and you will be able to see your earnings, the views, your withdrawals, and so on. But for now, I want you guys to focus on this section that is called settings. So if we click on that, and then we select profile, we can definitely see that we can select our withdrawal method right here on the left hand side. Now the three options that we've got are PayPal, Payeer, and AirTM, with the minimum thresholds being $3, $5, and $5 as well for PayPal. So no sign of Bitcoin. But if we look closely at this particular section here, we can see that for Bitcoin, you should simply add in your wallet address. And I'm going to refresh the page in order to assure you that this is legit. Moving on to the next step, I want you guys to go over to youtube.com and simply paste in how to in the search bar. And as you can see, you will have some suggestions. And all of these options that you've got here are really popular, and that's why they are displayed to you. So all of them get a lot of traffic. But what I want you guys to do next is pick one that you feel is easier to replicate. For instance, how to delete Instagram account. I believe that it's really easy to delete your Instagram account. It doesn't take a lot of time and effort, and you can definitely make a tutorial on that matter. So if we click on this particular topic, we are going to see that there are a lot of results, and some of them have got up to 2.3 million views, 1.4 million views here, so they get a lot of traffic. And these are simple tutorials that are only 2 or 3 minutes long. And what I want you guys to do next is simply replicate these viral videos. And you don't need to have any studio equipment. You can simply record the screen of your phone while you are showing others how to delete this Instagram account. It doesn't have to be this topic specifically. You can go for any topic in that list. Now, if you run out of subjects for videos that you can record on your phone, you can also change to your computer and start doing tutorials on that as well. And that is done by simply installing this program that is called OBS Studio for absolutely free. And that is all it takes. You don't have to record your voice. As I mentioned before, you can simply record the screen of your computer and that's good enough. And now let's say that you have recorded a video that is 2 or 3 minutes long and you want to upload it on your YouTube account or YouTube channel. What you want to do is go over to studio.youtube.com and simply click on upload videos, select the files, and that's it. Now what you can do is simply go over to that viral video that was called how to delete Instagram account that got 2.4 million views, copy its link, go over to xa.io, paste it in here, click on create, and that is going to provide you with a shortened link that you can copy into your clipboard. And now all that's left for you to do is simply paste this link into the description of your YouTube video. That's how easy it is. And now whenever somebody watches your YouTube video, they are very likely to also click on that link and generate money for you on complete autopilot. And hopefully you can now see the potential that this method has got, because you can film countless of these videos, keep posting them on your YouTube channel on various topics, and those are going to generate traffic for you each and every single day, and implicitly they are going to make more and more money for you. And even more than that, if you decide to withdraw your money straight into your Bitcoin wallet, you might get another surprise if Bitcoin's price goes up again. Currently, Bitcoin's price is at about $18,500, so if it grows even higher than that, you might get some additional profits. And let's take a look at the 1-year chart here. We can see that since October, the price of Bitcoin has grown about $8,000, and that is more than 50%. That is an amazing growth. So if you were to have 1 Bitcoin in October this year, you would already have made $8,000 in profit. Now, in order to set up your Bitcoin wallet, if you don't already have one, you can go over to coinbase.com, but this is not the only option, so whatever option you choose, it is equally fine. Now, in case you cannot make up your mind regarding which Bitcoin wallet is better for you, you can go over to bitcoin.org, and these guys have put together a series of questions that are going to help you find the most suitable Bitcoin wallet for you. So you can simply click on next, answer these 4 questions. I think, yes, indeed, there are 4 questions. And depending on your answers, they are going to recommend a certain Bitcoin wallet. Let's actually pick some at random and see what the result is. So I'm going to click on next. I'm going to click new here, next. Let's also select something here at random. Click on next and let's see. So Electrum is the option that they've chosen for us. It might be a different one for you, but it doesn't really matter. All that matters is that you have a Bitcoin wallet. You have a Bitcoin address that you can simply paste in here. So once you set that up and you also enter in your details here, because you have to enter in your first name, last name, and so on in order to be able to withdraw, you can make some serious profits on this website if you implement this.